Hi, welcome everyone to Chef Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to make homemade butter cake. So don't forget to subscribe. Next video will come pistachio gunafa butter cake mix. So enjoy with this video. Let's see. These are the ingredients: all-purpose flour 250 gram, 3 gram of baking powder, 5 whole egg, 250 gram butter, 250 gram sugar, and 10 milliliter vanilla essence. First I'm going to mix butter and sugar. So during the mixing butter and sugar I will add eggs slowly. Now I'm going to add eggs slowly. So you will add time to time until melted sugar. Flour and baking powder you need to fall. When you fall baking powder and flour, your cake will be very soft. So please don't forget. Now sugar already melted, so I'm going to start add flour and baking powder. So you need to mix in slow speed. If not, you can fall by in your hand. At last, I'm going to add vanilla essence. If you want, you can add additional milk if you want for the taste and softness. You can see my mixer is ready now. It's like creamy. So I'm going to put in the mold. So cake is ready. So I'm going to bake now. I'm going to use 160 degree and 40 minutes. In your home you can use 180 degree because this oven is very strong, so I use 160. Now our butter cake is ready. Let's see. Oh, I feel nice smell. Oh my god, wow, fantastic. I feel I'm in Sri Lanka. Oh, it's still warm, very nice, really awesome. Oh. Look at this texture, wow. Please come close to me. Look how soft and smooth. Wow. Let's see the taste. Very nice. So don't forget to subscribe. You will see next video pistachio gunafa cake. Let's see.